Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Self Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we're going to be talking about Bitcoin rally. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and that bell. That way you gotta be notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for coming in and being part of this awesome crypto community. Happy Thursday, guys. I hope you're all having a great time. Let's go roll call. Jonathan, hi, what up? Having a great day? Yeah, having a great day. Here, Don't Ask Wink, situation report, Lighthouse. Bitch, listen right now, you'll thank me later. Redstone. Right, awesome, dude. Awesome. Jeff Loomis. Hey, bro. Nice. Happy Christmas. Yes. Merry Christmas to everyone. Well, that's gonna be tomorrow, though. Tomorrow's stream, that's what I'm gonna say. But if I don't get to see you guys, I hope you have an awesome Christmas. Lloyd says, what is up, bro? Good to hear from you again. Yeah, thank you very much for being here. Much appreciated. I've been back for a little bit now, but thank you for catching up with me. Let's move to the screen where the magic happens. Here we go. I am a tiny little leprechaun now. Sorry, elf. Right, so what is happening? We popped great after, we had that divergence, put pressure on the price, moved down, hit that 20, bounce at support, nice. Heading up to the next target, which we said we could reach, and that was this 336 at 3.37, sorry, $2.39 trillion. That's a target that we hit, right? Here NASA's looking for a drop big. Yeah, I also mentioned that this could look a little bit like a bear trap, so we'll see once we get a little bit more pattern development. What I can tell you though is that it seems as though we're breaking this downtrend, right? Because we're making a new high, higher than the previous high here. So obviously we're not making lower highs yet, so we're looking okay. sitting at 2.39 trillion, right? So we should be aiming at least today, try to get above 2.40 trillion. And then if we do, we're going to have immediate resistance at 2.46 and then above there, 2.65. On rejection of this area, where can we go? Well, it drops to a 20 moving average, will be a target at 2.24 trillion. And then below there, we're going to be looking at maybe this 50% retrace here at 2.15 trillion. Jen Will, thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Thank you for being here. Let's go and check out Bitcoin, right? Remember, guys, tomorrow's stream is going to be at an awkward time. I'm not going to be here at 9. That is for sure. I'm going to be at a pre-Christmas dinner, Christmas Eve dinner. So I'll be here. I'm just not sure what time, right? So stay tuned for alerts. And if you don't get to come live when I am live, and if you want to catch the replay, I'll be grateful if you guys watch that. But thank you very much for coming in tonight. So what's happening here with Bitcoin market cap? Again, coming up higher. And on daily, we're still developing this hidden divergence. Remember, we're going to keep on tracking this because it's going to keep on building. On market cap, we're doing the same thing. I just forgot to basically shift this higher, but it's still there. Right, so hidden divergence on Bitcoin, on market cap in general. And we know it's going to put pressure on the price. So we're trying to go for a measured move right now of breaking out of this channel. And that would get us to around that 54,441. But we'll see how we get there, if we're going to get there, or we're going to start rejecting. But right now, if we go to this Bitcoin chart, the old chart that we have that we're not using a lot right now because, you know, Gemini is getting really bad or really weird data reads. Look at this, right? Yesterday, so we managed to rally, hit that $49,691 area, rejected, came back down, right? Opened at the 20, slightly below it. And we're bouncing from it, which is pretty good, and got above target. And now we reached the next target at 51,250. So now what we're going to try to do is go for that 50,119. Then if we break that, 54,230. We don't have those targets here. I don't have all those lines on this chart. I have different charts for different things, but that is the main resistance and support chart. So on a moving down, we should be looking for a move to a 20 moving average at 48,663, and then below there at 47,350. Those will be targets for Bitcoin on a moving up, on a moving down. Again, I do believe we're making some kind of bear trap. I hope I'm wrong. I did call for a pre-Christmas rally, and I've been saying the last couple days, guys, I'm hoping that we're going to get a pre-Christmas rally. And we've been getting that pre-Christmas rally, which is pretty good. Anyways, let's go here on the 4 hour. Craig Brown's in the house. Thank you for coming in, man. What are we doing here? Again, trying to go for that measure move. Very nice. Impulse stop, consolidated for a bit, hit that 20, found support and pop. Awesome. Now we're creating bearish divergence on that move, and I'm going to show you where. Now the movement comes from here to here. We're up higher on the price, right? And we are definitely coming in lower on that MACD, right? So less of that positive momentum. Look at this, right? Not too low. Right? See what I'm talking about? Now, could the move be over? No, we could still pump a little bit more and make a little bit more positive momentum and try to negate this divergence. But until we do, it's there, and we just get acknowledged for what it is. And this tells us that there's a possibility that we might move down. Maybe we want to consolidate here after the impulse up. And consolidation at this level would get us to potentially try to rally again, right? So consolidating, depending if it's down sloping, could be looking for another rally, right? So that being said, we are bought at 70.73, overbought. So not that bad on the 4 hour chart. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, right? Had the bearish divergence, right? Popped us down. Awesome, for about a day or so. Consolidated, right? Created some bullish divergence here after we were live, right? So we didn't have this one when we were live, but afterwards, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. I think we measured here. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go, right? And look at that. Bullish divergence strong. Getting our pop. Awesome, right? That happened at 1 in the morning. So again, strong bullish. Getting the pop. Very nice move. And now we're consolidating this area. And again, we're coming up slightly higher here. And something that we're also tracking, or we were tracking, I'm not sure if we're still going to have it, 258, and this is 300. So we did go higher. So I was looking for some kind of divergence to develop here, and we were developing it, right, until here when we broke it. But, you know, that being said, we're looking okay. There is some bearish divergence here in the short-term move on the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. And again, this would put pressure on the price to try to make us go down a bit. That'd be weird if we take a small drop, maybe to a 20 moving average. Maybe create some hidden divergence by the time we get there and see if we can rally and go for another pop, right? Anything that is down sloping consolidation could get us to rally back up again. Kikush says, please keep pumping. It's been boring for too long. Yeah, it's the name of the game though, right? You have to be here during the boring times if you want to be here for the exciting times. Otherwise, you're just catching the last beats of the exciting times. Let's go and check out ETH. Ethereum, $4,092. All right, Ethereum, yesterday we managed to move up and broke this resistance line. We also move above the 20 moving average. We're coming back down, back testing this line. Look at it, we are not breaking back in yet. We're back testing it, and if we find support there, we could be going for a pump and definitely try to get above that 4,192. Again, we're running on the bullish divergence that we have. Nothing bearish yet. Neutral at 49.58. I'm just going to check here. I just don't want to bite my 21.19 and 20.49. So we don't yet have anything bearish. Let's go here on the 4 hour. Coming up higher, coming in lower. Again, creating some of that strong bearish divergence and putting pressure on that price. Part of the reason that we're starting to flag here. And when we go to the 1 hour chart, I think it's going to be looking like a pretty solid flag. So that being said, I'm glad that we found that because, you know, it's a reason for a moving down, right? So that being said, here's what we have here in Ethereum on the 4 hour, sitting bought at 60.53. And with that, we could try to rally and get to that overbought area again, right? We're almost at that neutral zone. Are we going to create something bullish? We don't have anything bullish yet. And a drop, we could go to that 20 moving average. Again, it is strong bearish divergence. We'll see how the market handles that. And here, look at that, downsloping consolidation, right? How do we know? Well, it looks like downsloping consolidation. We could say right now, downsloping triangle, that tends to break down. But we could also say that we could be looking to make some kind of flag. Still developing, right? Not 100% developed yet, but that is what we're looking at. So again, downsloping triangle, downsloping triangle that could break down, but it could turn into a fallen wedge. So we'll have to keep on tracking this. Nothing bearish here. Also, nothing bearish from this move, right? Low to high, positive, more positive, and higher. So we're just following Bitcoin. Bitcoin's moving down a bit. We're moving down a bit with it, but not really going super low yet. Jason says looking for a group or something like that, I guess. So that's it for Ethereum. Let's go check out HNT. HNT was doing not too good yesterday. It's consolidating though, right? So it pumped magically. Now we're getting consolidation for 2 days. Again, nothing bearish developing here. Neutral at 57.25. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. Had the bearish divergence strong, broke down, try to rally again, down some consolidation, about to meet that 20 moving average. And if we do, then we can try to bounce from here. Warren, thank you very much for being here. Coming up higher, less of that negative momentum and higher here. Still neutral at 55.55. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour again, coming lower after we had that bearish divergence, which again, it's okay. We created some hidden bullish. Hey, hidden bullish try to help us rally. And on that hidden bullish, we are attempting a rally, to get higher in the previous high, consolidation. Again, potential continuation to the downside. And right now we're moving down. If we fail to get lower than the previous low, what's going to happen is we're going to start making a huge triangle here. And that triangle would be looking like this. Something like this. Again, I'm just going to highlight it real quick. But again, some kind of symmetrical triangle pattern, right? I'm not going to be saying that's the pattern we're going for, but that's the pattern we could be going for. If we drop slightly lower, then we're going to be looking at a fallen wedge. We are also sitting neutral, 42.23. The only thing you're looking for is more long-term pump. All right. Gadget, what's up, dude? Oh, Gadget. I don't think you're preparing for war is in tonight. But I get what that's from. Someone owes someone like $10, I guess. Yeah, he said on the Discord, right? He said he'll settle on the Discord. So I hope you're in the Discord and you can go talk to him. All right, so that's it for HNT. Let's go real quick. I'm going to check SHIB, mainly because it was pumping magically today. I'm not sure how it closed. I didn't quite go back and look at it. But earlier it was doing okay. So 0.40939. Yeah, look at that. Boom. Very, very nice rally. On the daily, SHIB yesterday or today managed to rally 10.47 right now for tomorrow, opening 1.78% to the upside. Not looking bad for SHIB. Not looking bad for SHIB. Now, the only thing that I'm starting to spot here is some hidden divergence that could put pressure on the price coming up lower here on this here move. And we're going to see how this goes, right? There we are. So, again, potential person moving down. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, coming up higher, coming down lower and lower on the MACD and the RSI, right? So, look at this. Boom. All right, one move. Oh, I don't want to do that. There we go. There we go. All right, so we have this strong bearish divergence. It's going to put pressure on the price. Trying to make us move down a bit, maybe flag or consolidate. That would be a good move here if we consolidate it for a bit before continuing to the upside. But again, Shiv recovering extremely nice. That being said, that's the only thing we have. If we drop a target, could be here at 0.40 and then 377. What was this? 3,772. And then if we drop, it's 0.40 and then 3,478. Right, whatever that fraction. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, coming up higher, we're still coming in lower. Oh no, we're still creating that bearish divergence. With that, the possibility for still a drop to happen. Oh my goodness. However, bought at 71.29, right? Overbought. So again, with that, we're bought, bearish divergence, potential for moving down. We are waiting to see some kind of movement coming down in Shiv. Hopefully, we can keep on pumping high. Can you look at MDX? Yeah, why not? What?
Merry Christmas. Thanks for the TA. BTW, where's Seamus? Grab him a beer.
Yo, dude, thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. Why are the sounds not coming through? 1 second, man. I gotta fix this. Here we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
That is an awesome donation. Thank you very much for that, man. Seamus is somewhere around here. There was some things that got shifted around here in the office, so I think I saw Seamus somewhere around here in the office. That is a pretty good question. Where the hell is Seamus? Here we go. He's back here. He seems to be stuck on something. But Seamus comes out to play right now. Wow, got stuck behind some stuff. So I knew I see him here on the desk. We did some work here, and let's get this Seamus, bro. What's going on here, man? The Seamus is out. Doesn't matter. Thank you very much for the awesome dono, man. Much appreciated, my friend. Thanks for the kind support. Let's get rolling. Right on. We are sitting up here at this again overbought on Shiv, right? Let's see how this keeps on going for Shiv. Someone said ADA earlier, so we're gonna do ADA, I think, and then we're gonna keep on moving crypto claws. Yay. Let's see, $1.46. Where are we going here on the daily? We are breaking up after being in that down sloping channel. We didn't measure here ever, but we should measure. On a break, we're looking for a hit somewhere around up here, $1.63, which is not a bad move. We're still pumping. We got above $1.40, which is really good. Now we need to get above here. It's 382 at $1.52. We'll see if we can manage that. But right now, after that nice impulse consolidation would be nice, and then we could continue running. Hopefully that's what we're gonna get here. Neutral at 53. Sorry, yeah, neutral 53.59. And look, remember how I told you this crosses sometimes come accompanied by large moves? They took forever, but it managed to rally, right? We got their cross back here on December 15th, and it's just 10 days later we're starting to get the rally. Sometimes we get them immediately. Most of the time I would say we get them kind of immediately. Right now it's taking forever. 4 hour chart. Oh, it doesn't matter. Thank you very much for that, man. Like, it's more like I'm very humbled by the donations and the fact that you guys want to stand here and spend time with me as I move through analysis. But yeah, much appreciated, dude. Thank you very much for that. Again, coming up higher, more positive momentum higher. Overbought at 78.37. There's nothing bearish here on Cardano. We're still looking for a nice consolidation, then we could move up, right? Like we did here. Look, impulse up, consolidated, pumped up again. Very nice. Let's go here on the 1 hour. Breaking this flag. Remember we talked about this flag and see if we're gonna go for a move here. We're back testing it, and it looks as though we went almost for a move of the pole, right? So let me do this here. I'm gonna measure from the low point here to the high point here. We'll see how this rolls, right? So when we break, we're hitting that measure move. Yeah, we went for a measure move of the pole. Almost spot on, by the way, right? Almost spot on, slightly higher. So not bad here on ADA. Really nice. If you're holding ADA, congrats. Pat yourself in the back. Yeah, not bad. Nothing bearish, man. Nothing bearish. At least not in the longer move. Shorter move, I'm going to have to zoom in here, and we're going to see that. Ooh, it's barely, man. 78.80, 78.73. It's too close to call. I'm just going to say I'd rather wait. for us to make a call here for something bearish, because it's barely there. It could be a bad read on this chart. I'm not going to go to another chart, but let's say wait a bit. Warren, thank you very much for coming in, man. Said hi at the Center Crypto. Hi what? And then you said okay, and then hi. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. Again, the bearish divergence I was noticing, it comes from here to here. It's barely there. I mean, I wouldn't be willing to go on it. Again, maybe it could get us to move down, maybe to a 20 moving average, but I don't think it's gonna break us down with strength. Hopefully I'm wrong. Sorry, hopefully I'm right, and we don't break down with strength. Hopefully, yeah. And like we said, right, crypto rally, and we're getting the awesome crypto rally. So let's keep rolling here. Ada, someone said a lot of projects, dude. Whatever. Someone said Matic. All right, Matic, and then no, MDX. All right, so Matic. Where are the Matic at, man? Felix, how's it going, man? Or Felix, I'm not sure how to say your name. In Spanish, it would be Felix, and then I think it's Felix in the US. I'm not sure. Let me know. Matic. Oh no, that thing just fell there. That is not cool. Something happened that I didn't want for it to happen. Awkward. There we go. We're back. Awesome. All right, Matic. Here we go. $2.60. That's where we're at on Matic. Are we rallying? Or it looks as though we're dropping for the last couple candles. Yesterday we did manage to rally very nicely. We're looking at some kind of bearish divergence developing. It is still there, right? Look at it. It's still coming lower, right? It's still coming up higher. Again, the market seems to be going bullish. Matic doesn't really seem to be caring about the bearish divergence, which again, it would be an indicator that bulls could be in control, right? So with that, Spider-Man, do you like that? What's happening? Yep, he likes it. All right, let's keep rolling. Matic all-time high, yeah, any all-time high, man. Oh yeah, right now, higher than the wick. Yo, you're correct. Yeah, today or yesterday, we didn't make any all-time high. Sad enough that we're not on price discovery, but bought at 64.14, so not bad. Let's go here on the 4 hour. Coming up higher here. Doesn't matter, says James looked like he was like he has stage fright. Maybe he's tucked away for too long. I know. He doesn't know what's up. Crypto claws. All right. Sorry, man. I'm sorry if I missed some of the chat. I'm still trying to get through the analysis and pay attention. Again, remember, we're looking here for some kind of cupwood handle. I don't think we're going to go for that move. Right. What's high here? 0.041, 0.040. Still had the bearish divergence to here, right? So we could say it's still bearish divergence strong, and we should be looking for a movement down. Maybe this starts to make that handle, right? Although it went much higher than this lip, so I wouldn't be liking this for a cupwood handle. I think I'm gonna scratch this pattern. I'm not sure this one we're gonna go. I'm gonna leave it for now, but I don't think this is what was gonna come into play, right? We are seeing a neutral, bought at 60.58. That being said, let's go to the 1 hour chart. All right, we're looking for bearish divergence, pull back down a bit, pumped more. We still created bearish divergence as we kept on rallying. Look at that, rally twice, drop here also twice, right? So now coming up higher, and from this previous high here at 0.15, here we are at 0.08. All right, cool. So it does work. So from here to here, we're coming up higher still. I know I hate going over data, but that is a move. Now we're coming from here to here. And from here to here, right, from one island to next. So strong bearish divergence, moving down, break below 20 right now, trying to reclaim it. Did we create some hidden bullish? No, not here. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Here we did have some hidden bullish back here, but again, that should not be affecting us right now on the move, because now we have that bearish divergence that's going to put pressure on the price, right? So we'll see, man. Hidden bullish here and hidden bullish, yeah. Right, so Matic done. All right, let's go check out MDX. Is that here? Can we find that here? It's weird having Seamus out. He hasn't been out in the longest time. Feels awkward because he should really just He's not sitting the way he's supposed to, so maybe his arm or something got twisted. Not sure. So let's try to fix Seamus, right? It's fix Seamus time. That's the way he should be sitting most of the time. But for some reason, he keeps on falling over. Maybe I need to get Velcro on my shoulder so he can stay there for the longest time. Here we go. Seamus is there now. Right on. We said MDX. I think we've looked at that before. Have we? Yeah, MDX. Look, we've done that before. So we're going to go with that. MDX at 38.97 cents. So I guess you want to rally for Christmas, right? Like Santa's going to be, have you been nice today? You wanted to rally for Christmas? But watch out. If you've been naughty, dude, you're going to get dropped, right? I hope most of the people in the cryptosphere have been nice. We do want to get a crypto rally, man. Anyways, bullish divergence strong. Potential for moving up. We should be pumping. Trying to go for that 20. We're not quite getting that strong move. Sitting sold at 37.48. It could just be a late bloomer, right? I mean, the rest of the market is going to take off. This could try to play catch. Here again, low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, dude, high to low, possible is positive, high, low to high. All right, hidden bearish divergence. With that, the possibility for stagnation. Potential. That. Maybe moving down, right? Hit that 20 moving average at 37.66. That's about it here, though. Let's go to the 1 hour. MDX, look at it here, right? Also, boom. Very nice. It's all upsloping right now. Everything looks upsloping, which is happy. Let's paint some happy upsloping divergences. All right, strong bearish divergence. The possibility for moving down. We're trying to move down. Should be targeting that 20 moving average at $38.50. That'll be a target here on MDX. So bearish on the 1 hour, bearish on the 4 hour, and bearish on the bullish on the daily. We'll see how those affect each other. It would be nice if we had coinciding data, but you know we are getting contradicting
Merry
data
Christmas, clinking beer mugs, and best wishes for 2022.
right now. Yo, bro, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very
much for that. Yo, Merry Christmas back at you, man. And yeah, also, I wish you a happy 2022. I hope it's full of joy and awesome trades. Let's keep rolling. Some people say they pray to the crypto claw. Star. Did I miss something in the chat? No, there we go. I was saying forever. Can you check out XLM? Yeah, we can check out XLM. We can also do sand. So 1 second, let's go XLM first. Soka's needs hills. Thank you very much for being here, Soka. What's up?
What's up?
I just need to find the XLM we look at here at 28.33 cents. Oh my goodness, it's breaking. It's breaking from this down sloping channel. So that means we could try to go bullish. We're getting above the 20, which is pretty good. Again, just broke this. We could back test and try to rally at 28.33 cents. Not a bad move here on XLM. Again, neutral at 49.14 on the 4 hour chart. Again, coming up higher, coming in slightly lower here in the MACD, I think. So I'm going to have to double check and say, yes, that is a move. So from a high point to a low point, creating some of that bearish divergence strong. Hopefully it's not going to break us down. We could have something else to hold on to. But again, we're starting to get that movement down. It doesn't look like consolidation yet, so we need to pump and maybe rally slightly down sloping. Maybe next one we try to rally, but we'll see. We'll see. It's all good, man. It's all good. I'm here. We are at 62.60 again. Bearish divergence. With that, let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, coming up higher. Ooh, higher and higher. There's nothing bearish. Consolidating, moving down, going for that 20 moving average at 28.13 cents. That'll be a target. Soka, new name? No, Soka's just not been here that often, I guess. Soka's like OG. He's like the first person that started watching this stream ever. Again, neutral, 58.15 again. Not bad. Not a bad move here. Again, bullish divergence. Try to rally. And again, we could be going for a 20 moving average. It's not going to be a bad move if we go there. So that's it for this. Let's go to sand again. XLM's not looking the hottest. It's pumping, but when I say it's not looking the hottest, it just means it really just needs to get out of this area, right? It needs to go and hit this move and get up here, 36 cents. That'll be a very, very nice move. It's getting a good setup though, but again, also looks like a bear trap. Remember what bear traps look like, right? They come in, they hook, and they drop. So we're at that point where we could be making a bear trap. I don't want to be making a bear trap, so that's what I'm saying. It's not the best setup when you're unsure whether or not you're going to be going for a drop here. Does XLM have potential bumpage? Yeah, I think so, man. So if you were to enter here, sorry, if you were not going to enter here. If I were to enter here, I would be looking for an exit near that 20 moving average in case we do drop, at least dropping below that or below the previous pump day here. So that you're looking at maybe around a 6% hit from where it's at right now, maybe a 5% hit. But then I would just look for a rally, maybe to come up to this area, 34-cent mark, and then try to shoot for that 36. But remember, it's just market's not looking the healthiest, right? It's starting to look like it wants to recover, but sometimes we get those recoveries, right? Those failed attempted recoveries that come with nasty drops, right? So watch out for those. Let's see. I think it's at sand. Sand. Here we go. 6.24. I don't think this is sand we've been looking at. So I'm just gonna find the sand we're looking at. Dude, where's sand? Here we go. Sand at $6.24. Here we go. Right on. So first of all, we need new fibs for sand. We haven't updated fibs in the longest time. That's not good. We should be updating fibs here. All right, so we're gonna go from the lowest point to the highest point here on sand and see where we're at. So I'm gonna consider this to be the lowest point and then that to be the highest point, and we'll see if the fibs make sense. And to kind of do it, look, we came down to 382, found support, popped, getting above 236. Yesterday, pumping 23%. Not bad. Soka, congrats. Soka won a pass to the alpha game, your sandbox alpha. So yeah, sandbox alpha, and he earned 1,000 sand. So it's right now worth around 6,250 buckaroos. Very, very nice move there. Soka, congrats on that. Let's keep rolling here. Bought at 62.8 again. There's nothing bearish. Last thing we had was that bullish divergence. Started rally since, so nice move. 4-hour chart. Higher and higher. Overbought at 80.55. Nothing bearish. So we just had a massive move up. We could start to consolidate here, man. Let's go to the 1 hour. Look at this. Boom. All right. Nice impulse. Starting to flag a bit. Nothing too crazy here. We're current divergence. 87.53. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. My bad. I keep sometimes messing up my there we go. My shortcuts here, man. Alright, so strong bearish, potential for moving down. Just you know what I'm talking about, right? High, low. It's barely there, but it's getting us to move down right now. Again, we can start to consolidate, flag a bit before we actually do go somewhere right. So when it's safe to say it's not a bear trap, it's when we pass the previous high, I guess. We've done this before in crypto. I'll try to find you an example here so you know what I'm talking about, right? What? Who? Where is a bear trap? Oh. Look at this, right? It was all fine and nice. We failed to get higher than the previous high, right? But look at this. Boom. It was starting to look like we're going to go for a good recovery here. And all of a sudden, nope. Drop, right? Also here, look at that. Boom. Hook and drop, right? So this is a move I'm telling you guys to watch out for. This move of hook and drop, right? We do tend to see those when we get bear traps. So watch out for that. Once it's safe when we get higher than the previous level. So again, that's why I said if I were to enter, I'll be keeping a tight stop loss in case it is a bear trap. Then you know I'll be safe here. Also, right? Look, recently, reading that upwards motion, right? We pulled back. It looks as though we're gonna go for a recovery, but no, drop denied. Right? It's a bear trap. That's what bear trap looks like. Sorry, bull trap. So watch out for that, dude. I don't want to get anyone. I don't hope you guys don't get caught up in any kind of bear bull traps. Again, we're getting this motion. We're coming down, right? It looks as though we're gonna go for a recovery. A lot of people get excited, and all of a sudden the market just dumps it, right? So watch out for that. Tangy Rain says, I hope it goes down to 45K in the near future. He says H bar next if possible, and this one's a Hex, Pulse Chain, Pulse X, DYOR. Well, thank you for being here, Hex Settlement. Much appreciated. Sorry, guys, it's been a freaking long day, but it's good. Tomorrow's also gonna be a long day. I gotta wake up early to roast the turkey. Previous local high, yeah. Right, so someone said H bar. Hedara bar graph Ness. Not sure if that's the one. Where the H bar at? Where's the H bar at, man? Bring out the H bar. Here we go. H bar sounds like someone's gonna get like whacked on the side of the head. This is like a weird name. Hedara hash graph. There we go. Have the donations link changed? No, they're the same. Why? They are the same links. They should be working. JW. Johnny Walker? Since I changed the name, no, it's still the same. It's the same channel, the same setup. The fact that I changed the name doesn't change the Stream Elements login. So, yeah. Soka says Johnny Walker. Oh yeah, awesome. Soka, Johnny Walker, great. High to low, low to high, bearish divergence. Look at this. Look at this. And here, we're creating some hidden bearish divergence that's gonna put pressure on the price. I know we're starting to move sideways. Oh my goodness, what are we doing? Where are we going? Where are we gonna go, man? Look at this strong bullish here. Strong bullish. Popped. Bearish divergence. Starting to move sideways. So putting pressure on the price. Upsloping consolidation here. Not liking that. That usually gets us to break back down. Neutral 54.78. We have it. Look at this. Look at this. Bearish divergence. Strong. We had the possibility for moving down. Now we're moving down. Move down. Hit that 20. Try to find support. Did we create some hidden bullish? Have to zoom in here, Captain. Negative, less negative, less negative. All right, nothing here. That is bullish. Neutral at 55.25. Try to enter the Discord, but says message failed to load. Are you going with the link that's posted here on the top of the chat? That's awkward. So we're going back down to 20. That's okay. Let's go to the 1 hour. HBAR coming in lower, lower, and a lower still. Coming lower, positive. All right, so not positive, less negative momentum. So here we're creating a bullish divergence strong before we rallied, which is pretty good. Yes. All right. Give me 1 second. Link at the top. All right. Go to this one. Not sure if it's the same or not, but in case it's not picking up properly or whatever, that new link should get you there. Hopefully. Right. So neutral 45.49. That is it, right? So nothing bearish here in this move. We're consolidating right now. If we're trying to go down, if we fail to drop lower on this first low, we start to do a triangle consolidation here, which could again lead us to pump again. Hopefully get continuation on and move to the upside. But again, overall, looks okay for Hedara right now. Just struggling a bit. Hopefully this bullish divergence could continue and get us to go higher, right? Make sure you validate it when you join the Discord, right? Let's keep on, man. Hex is pumping hard. We gotta check out Hex and see. All right, Hex. Yeah, it's trying to pump. I won't say hard. It's trying to redo what it had been here, so it's going good. Next target for Hex, 382 at 34.06, and above there. 39.96, doing okay. Again, we negated this divergence. We pumped higher. We're doing good. We're just sitting bought at 69.18. I would be just, right now, not that I would be super worried about this move, but it is starting to create this divergence here, right? Look at this, boom. Immediately after coming up slightly higher, right? So watch out for that. It's going to create some strong bearish divergence. But like I said, not super worried. It's looking strong right now, so big chance we keep on rallying and negate it, right? So let's go here on the 4 hour. In the mods room? Oh, that's weird. It shouldn't have. Let's see. It's the same one, so I'm not sure why I tried to throw you into the mods, but that's weird. You might be in the welcome area. A lot of people joined right now. Cryptoid. You guys gotta validate with the bot, right? If you don't, you're gonna get kicked out of the Discord. So I'm gonna manually verify some of you guys real quick. But you gotta validate, right? With the bot. Otherwise, you're gonna get kicked. Make sure you don't get kicked and verify. Good stuff, I guess. Awesome. All right. That's awkward. Hex a beast. All right. Awesome. Is it? Creating bearish divergence strong right now. I'll just be watching out for that. Again, we're not even making that positive momentum, but we're already starting to have this bearish divergence. Watch out, is going to put pressure on the price. Could get it to drop maybe to a 20 moving average. That'll be a very, very likely target. We have it here against the MACD and against the RSI. Against the MACD, we're about to start making it, right? So again, bearish divergence here on the 1 hour. Also coming up higher. Look at this. Oh no, bearish divergence strong also. So a lot of bearish divergence on Hex. Hope it can push through it and with the bullish momentum that it has, and not be affected. Because if we look at this on the different time scales, bearish divergence on the 1 hour, bearish divergence on the 4 hour, and bearish divergence on the daily. So I'll just be watching out for this, right? Again, not super worried about it on the daily. We can still try to pump today and get rid of it. We'll see. Ribbon. Oh, man. How sand look, brother? We already looked at sand, so I'll look at it in a second. I plan on joining Discord when my life allows for socialize. It's all work. All the time currently. That kind of sucks. Life's here. We're here to have fun. We only live one time. Please try not to chill here. Yeah. All right, so I think for Hex, we went through it. Thank you guys for being here if you're in the Hex community. Hex price target. It's a pretty good one. Already set to the upside where, right? So to the upside, we're looking at 34.09 and then up here around 39.66. If we do move up on the bearish divergence and break below this 50% retrace, trying to find support at 29.64 and then break below there 25.19. So that'll be the upside and the downside, right? So cool. Business is growing, life is good. Awesome, man. What do you do for business? Congrats. All right, so sand already did. We're just gonna look at it again real quick. So let's go to sand. Oh, good. Oh, snap. To connect. Online retail. Awesome. I'm glad that your business is booming. Congratulations. Congratulations, Nat. All right, so bearishness. We said we're gonna go to sand, so let's go look at sand. Sand's boring. Blows away with the wind. Sand castles. Sand dolls. All right, cool. $6.25. We don't have anything bearish or pumping, so we're going to look for consolidation to happen. Very nice rally happening today, 23.79%. Awesome rally. Bought at 62.82. Again, like I said, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour pumping again, nothing bearish. Trying to look for consolidation to start happening. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, bearish divergence moving down. We're starting to consolidate. So again, nothing bad happening. Just waiting for that consolidation to come through. Crypto 5000 says, ounce sand. That's all I know. Congrats, man. Yeah, I wish I would have bought sand. Someone should just make sand dollars as like a coin, like sand dollars. Then have Shell as the, logo. I'll buy that coin. Just because it sounds like sand. Maybe it's a new sand. Who knows? I just created new sand. Hex is at 50 billion market cap. Makes me question whether they can still 10x or not. Yeah. Right? Those are the good questions, man. You'll be looking at 500 billion. That'll be half of what Bitcoin's worth right now. Bitcoin, what?
My heart grew 2 sizes. Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Oh, bro, the Grinch. What? Awesome, bro. Thank you very much for that. That's amazing.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you
That
very
is
much.
amazing. Thank you very much for the kind donations. I don't know who the Grinch is. But the Grinch says, my heart grew 2 sizes. Merry Christmas to you and your family. All right, thank you very much, man. Much appreciated. Merry Christmas to you as well. And I hope you also have a great holidays. For New Year's and whatever else you guys might celebrate. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and Happy Holidays. So in case you're not celebrating any of these other holidays, I guess. USD Tether added to Binance. Now Luna will moon even more. Nice. NBN Fireworks, thank you very much for being here, man. I wonder who the Grinch is now. See, when people donate with anonymous names, it makes me wonder who they are, because I haven't seen the Grinch in the longest time. I don't think I've seen the Grinch since last Christmas. I think that's when the Grinch came by. Look at this, bearish divergence strong, right, on market cap for Bitcoin. Starting to move down a bit. But again, what I was talking about Bitcoin, right? So you guys said if it's going to 10 times, it's going to go to 500 billion. That'll put it at half of what Bitcoin's worth right now, right? So can it 10 times? Right? That's the question. Luna. Cool. Let's go check out Luna. Luna Tex. Here we go. Luna at $99 on the dot. Oh, 98.95 now. All right, coming back down a bit. I think we have some bearish divergence. We're looking for some bearishness. Again, the rest of the market going bullish. We talked about how bullish it was and whether or not you continue with it. We might negate this divergence. It looks so. That's precisely what we're doing, negating this divergence. It's still there, though, right? Barely there. We're still pumping. Still pumping. Happy snow season. Yeah. If that's a holiday you go for, awesome. All right, so this one's going sideways now, right? And it going sideways gets us to where we're making a weak divergence against the RSI and strong divergence against the MACD. We're about to get rid of it. If we pump, it's going to be good. You can't read Luna chart. It is different. What do you mean? It is the same. This is not Luna chart. Anyways, overbought at 74.60. It still has that bearish divergence, right? So we found it here. We rejected for a day. Now we're recovering. That's fine. You're gonna see short term what we had. 4 hour chart probably also had something bearish. Bearish, right? That was yesterday when we were live. Look at that. Came back down, hit the 20. Awesome. Right? Started pounds and try to go higher. Now we have bearish divergence here. Also starting to develop. Can he go pumping? Yeah, we're just starting to develop this new island, right? It's the first bar of positive momentum that we're getting here. And with that, again, we could be getting that possible moving down. We'll see. The Grinch. Who's the Grinch? We are all at 69.65. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 83.95, 73 here, right? Cool. There's bearish divergence here as well. And with that, again, the possibility for action to downside. Do I like this? I kind of do, man. Look at the uptrend that we're getting, right? So if we look at the uptrend that we're getting, I just need to get a percentage read here. And if it is a 30% rally, yeah, look at this, over 30% rally. So what I'm looking at here is a possible cup with handle formation, right? To start developing. That's why I said I got to see what we're doing. So look at this here. Again, boom, there we go, right? So that's our cup for portion. Now we could start forming that handle portion. If we keep on pumping, we're gonna get rid of this pattern, right? There's a possibility that we create a cup with handle. If we do, it could be very, very nice. Here, don't ask this. Tether's done. Yeah, Tether's a weird project, I guess. KDA cadet, sure. UST is a stable coin for Terra. Nice. Right on. So bearish divergence, potential for a movement down. That movement could get us to where we create that handle portion. Then we could be looking for more action to upside. That being said, that's all good right now. We're starting to create some bearish divergence here against the RSI. Look at this. Also strong bearish against the RSI, right? Look, coming in lower. Coming in lower as we're coming up higher here. There we go. Bearish divergence. Strong. So, good stuff. Let's go and check something else. Luna's stable. Yeah. All right, so Luna, again, bearish divergence, potential for moving down, 4-hour chart, not looking bad again. Bearish divergence, and on the 1-hour chart. Sorry, the daily chart, bearish divergence, so a lot of bearishness. Hopefully it can keep on running, right? Flag somewhere around here, maybe come back down to that 618, pump up again. That'll be very nice. But still, Tether is done. Could be. Right, so KDA. Where KDA at, man? KDA. The KDA. Here we go. No. Here we go. KDA. $2. Tether. There. Right. Cadena. It's dropping lower. Morning momentum. Here in the shorter term, we created some bullish divergence. Right on. So here on this move. Bullish, like a lot of the other projects it also had. So very, very nice here in Cadena. We just have not been looking at it a lot. You're gonna pump about those 618. So guess what? These FIPS are old, man. These FIPS are done. Although they did help that 3618. Guess what? We get better FIPS if we just go brand new, spanking new, fresh FIPS, low to high. See where we retrace to, right? Retrace to that 618, trying to bounce, and we're failing to get above that 50% retrace. So that's our target right now. $12.18. We're close to it at $11.67. Getting above that target. Could be aiming for that $14.95 mark. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands coming in. We could be looking for some kind of a expansion move coming in. So we'll see. Gadgets. Awesome. All right. I guess that works. I'm not sure. Right on. Let's keep going here, guys. Let's keep going here. There we are. So, Tron rally. Okay, here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we are coming up slightly higher, coming in lower. Bearish divergence. Strong with that, the possibility for moving down. Wish I could contradicting data here on the chart, right? So, have bullish on the daily, bearish on the 4-hour, strong bearish at best. And here as well. Look at that. Boom. We're gonna try to go for a new rally now. We did come back down, hit that 20 bounce. That's a pretty good move. That means we're rejecting lower areas of value, but we need to get above this target. Otherwise, this bearish divergence still takes hold. Even if we pump higher, we're gonna get more positive momentum, but not as high as this here move. So we're probably going to still carry on to that divergence. So we're getting it at an area where we could reject, and that is at a fib retracement, right? That 50% fib. So here, low to high, more positive, higher still. So here in the short term, we're looking at everything here being good. The last thing we had here on the 1-hour was this bullish divergence, and that is pretty good. Now, we're getting a lot of contradicting data, right? Because the daily is bullish, The 4 hours bearish, and the 1 hour's bullish. So again, we're not getting coinciding data. We did pump and getting some retrace happening, coming back to that 20, trying to pump, nothing bearish. So we can start consolidate. We can say this is an impulse up, right? A pull. We can start flagging here before we continue up to the upside again. That'll be a pretty good move here happening here on KDA. So yeah, not bad for Cardano. Back to the corn. The Bitcoin, $51,069. 69 dudes. The Bitcoin. So, who is the Grinch? Will the Grinch Slim Shady please stand up? Guys, what's wrong with my keyboard? What? Why is this not working? There we go. Good stuff. Right. Bitcoin bearish. Market cap. Same move, right? Thoughts on Solana? Good question. I think Solana was doing okay, or Solo, I can't remember. One of the projects was doing good. Solana at 187.78. Again, starting to rally. Look, we're creating this bearish divergence, putting some pressure on the price, hitting bearish. We're hitting it near resistance, right? That previous 100% high. And I think this is also due for fibs, right? New fibs on Sol. So first things I'm going to do is I'm going to shift this and get rid of this fibs extending to the right. I want to keep them because they're kind of working still. But what I want to do is get new fibs from the low point here to the high point here and see where they take us, right? And I can see the fibs point us at the fact that we're rejecting that 50% retrace. That's pretty good. We need to get above that 50% retrace, right? So we're getting a rejection near a similar area. Here we're rejecting previous 100% high. Here we're rejecting 50% retrace. Very good. There's an area that we're rejecting. Doesn't matter. It says, I think the Grinch is Soka. Doubt it. I don't think the Grinch is Soka. It might be someone else. Let's see. Solana was tough. I bought at 241 and dumped at 190. Ooh. That kind of sucks. Yeah. So there is some bearish divergence, putting pressure at a resistance level, right? And we also have resistance at $190. Getting above that 50%, we could be looking at a pretty good rally, but we're still going to be targeting resistance every time we get here and then here. So we're still going to have that hidden divergence coming into play. Neutral 50.40. Let's go to the 4 hour again. There's a chance it could try to continue going up, particularly if the rest of the market still goes up. We'll see though. See a rejection at a key area. I need to zoom in. I mean, slightly lower. There we go. Bearishness. So moving down a bit below 190. So it could be going down to a 20 moving average on that strong bearish divergence. Neutral 59.09. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, this thing came over from another time scale. That's not good. We don't want unwanted visitors here in our land. Go back to your 4 hour chart. The 1 hour land don't want you here. There we go. All right, cool. Let's go. Now we need to get rid of this one as well. There we go. Yeah. Invaders from the 4 hour. Come higher, higher, and higher still. Had a low, positive, had a low. Dude, what? This is crazy. We didn't have anything bullish here for the rally. We started a rally though. We don't have anything bearish here on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour is kind of clear. So So we could be going for a move of that 20 moving average and try to bounce from there. We're not going to be creating any kind of bullish divergence by the time we get there. We'll see how that goes. It's going to hurt you about 1,200. Yeah, crazy. The 1 hour is definitely not telling us much. Daily, again, bearish. 4 hours, some bearish. I'll be waiting for a hit of that 20 maybe. Try to see the rest of the crypto. This could lead to consolidation there, right? Impulse up, starting to consolidate. We could try to go for another quick leg up. But definitely I'll be waiting for a break above that 50% before I actually try to enter. I would be waiting for a break above the 50% before I try to enter. We're not that far away from it, right? We're talking about like 1% point. So you wouldn't be losing a lot. So 2% maybe that you're not going to be taking in. But getting above that 20 could be a better entry, I guess. Alex HD says, I am in the recommended. Awesome. Gracias, Alex. Saludos. We'll do this and what's up?
What's up?
There we go. Alex, help us out with the thumbnails. And thank you, Alex, for the kind support you give to this channel with the thumbnails and well, being here, man. Much appreciated. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. It's gonna be a good Christmas. It's gonna be a good Christmas. We're getting a Christmas rally, remember? I said we had bullish divergence. Market not looking strong, but I'm hoping that we have our Christmas rally. We're getting a Christmas rally. Yay! The gut feeling of the Christmas rally was right. Not the whole month though. Initially, I said the Christmas that we're gonna get a potential rally towards the month because a lot of people get more disposable income around this time of the year. They could be buying crypto, but don't seem that is what happened. But you know, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe people's bonuses are getting here late. I wonder if we're gonna get a Christmas Day crash though. So we're gonna go down. What do you guys think? Type 1 in the chat if you think we're gonna go down on the 25th. Type 2 on the chat if you think we're gonna pump on the 25th. Let me know. I'll try to keep track of this. But 1, if you think we're gonna pump on Christmas. Sorry, 1 if you think we're gonna drop. 2 if you think we're gonna pump, right? It's gonna be a Saturday, 25th. Soka thinks we're gonna pump, so that's 1 for pumping. Come on, guys, cast in your votes. Doesn't matter, sis. We think we're gonna pump on the 25th. All right. Aeon says thinks we're gonna pump on the 25th. All right, that's 3. 3 out of 25 people. Jeez, let me know, guys. Please, come on. Type 1 or 2. 1, you think Bitcoin's gonna drop on Christmas Day? 2, you think it's gonna pump on Christmas Day? Ooh. And the music stops. Drum roll. Oh, I don't have a drum roll. Oh, I have the drum roll. Kikuchi thinks we're gonna drop. All right, well, that's 1 there. Adrian Sanchez thinks he's gonna pump. All right, and then Soka says we pump. All right, so Soka already voted. Adrian says we pumping. All right, that's 3. 3 to 1, 4 to 1. Crypto man says he thinks we're gonna pump, and then doesn't matter says he's switching to 1. He thinks he's going down the 25th. All right, BL says 2. All right, cool. Vasing just says shop, so I'm gonna go 3, I guess. And then Sackmar says we're gonna pump on the 25th. Well, that's pretty good, I guess. It's going down. Grinch says so. Is that so? We'll see. We'll see. Are we gonna be happy on the 25th, or are we gonna be like sad streaming on the 25th, like crying, be like, "Oh my god, that just dropped so much." Tudul's Glamour says 2 also, so she also thinks we're gonna pump here. All right, cool. So we got a lot of pumping people. So 2 people says we're gonna drop, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people said we're gonna pump, and then 1 says we're gonna get chopped. So okay, 25th. Interesting. Because you know, it'll be interesting if we get a drop on the 25th and then a pump towards New Year's, right? So that would give us a chance to kind of consolidate, I guess. You gotta consider the market's already open for the 24th, right? So even if on the 24th we close here, then we dropped on the 25th, and then we started to recover towards the end of the year, that'll be pretty solid, right? That'll be a pretty solid move, right? Get our consolidation levels coming in here, and then take that next step up, right? So interesting. We'll see. We'll see. I will. Which one do you rather me check first? I'm not sure if I want to do both, but I'll take on one, either FTM or Algo, and we'll see if we have time for another one. I'm having a good time. I'm having a blast. I enjoy being here. I can see my Deadpool dancing from me hitting the desk. A lot of Deadpools in my desk. Dan Sanchez says, I think Bitcoin's going to mirror October the 1st and rise to 57K. Ooh, that'd be a pretty good rally. I'll be in for that. I'm down. If crypto drops, it's a Christmas gift. Yeah, you can buy it lower, right? With all the money you're going to get in Christmas. Oh, we put that on the list for Christmas, right? Pump dumpage so I can buy more. Oh, I need disposable income so I can buy more crypto. All right, but Kitty, you haven't said either FTM or Algo. Which one you'd rather me check out? I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing the other one, but I'll do one of the two. It's a good day. Guys, by the way, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? You join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. They're pinned at the top of the chat. Nikush says the first half of 2022 is going to be explosive for crypto. All right. He says FTM. All right, look at this, right? Coming in lower. Ooh, let's get this. So we did create our bullish divergence. We're already tracking it. Still there. Getting the rally, just like a lot of projects having this movement, right? Again, now sloping channel. We didn't say maybe a falling wedge here. It looks more wedgy than channely. So look at this, right? Falling wedge, breaking to the upside again. We should be going for a measure move off this wedge, and I'm just going to draw it here real quick. It's about the same as what we started, or divergence, but here we go. That move could get us to target around $2.93, right? And a quick drawing for this here move, right? So let's get this to be the color of ball. Here we go. Blue. Right, so yeah, should be looking for a potential movement up still, right? We haven't hit pattern completion, so it could still be in for a little bit more of a rally. We're not creating anything bearish yet, which is okay. Also nothing here. Sitting neutral at 58.31, so we should still be looking for action to the upside. That would be very, very nice. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. This thing says, I'm interested in Algo. All right, we'll see. We'll see if I have the time. We have higher, higher, and higher still. Again, very nice bounce here. Nothing bullish created. Going on a pop. Okay. Again, it's just pumping without having anything. So I don't like it when it pumps when we don't have any kind of divergence. So we're going for this nice move up. Now we need to consolidate a bit, right? So the kind of downsloping consolidation here would be nice. Particularly because it sets up for the next move, right? So, yeah. Let's see if we can get this going, right? There is a kind of support happening here, by the way, right? So I'm just going to draw this here like that. That's one support line. And we could also say there's another kind of support line going on here. All right, and we're getting away from that support line. So if you look at this and we draw a lot of support lines, what's going to happen is this is going to start looking a little bit like a curve. So we go like this. Look, it looks like a curve going like this. There we go. I just have to hide this a little bit. There we go, right? Look at that curve. All right, so still have support though. Good stuff here. Good stuff. All right. Go to the 1-hour chart here for FTM. Gadget says below 55K in Christmas. A lot of cash gifts entering the space tomorrow night. Nice. We shall see, my friend. Let's go here in 1 hour. Boom, here we are. No, look at this, right? Bearish Divergence strong. Potential for moving down. That could start that flag in motion I talked about, right? We could be looking for a move to that 20 moving average at $1.82 right now, sitting at $1.90 for FTM. Merry Christmas Eve. Right. 2 eves in a row. I'll be here tomorrow. just not at regular time, and I'll be here again on Christmas night. Regular time on Christmas night. Right. So FTM, let's do algo, I guess, because a lot of was it algo? Yeah, algo, right? What even is FTM? That's a good question. What even is FTM? I don't know. It's a crypto project that I'm not familiar with it and in depth, right? Algorand. Where's Algo? Where are you? $1.46. The digital print house. Oh man, I'm not sure if I want to get to that one, man. I'm about to sign off here, but thank you very much for requesting that. It's been a good day, man. It's been a good stream. I like it. Thank you all for coming in. Strong bullish divergence. Again, remember, tomorrow's stream is going to be awkward time. Stay tuned on the Discord. If you can join me, that's great. If you can't, catch the replay. And if you can't do either, catch me on the 25th. I'll be here again. Just tomorrow, very weird time. All right, expect me to be a short stream maybe, depending on how much time I have between roasting this turkey and the other rest of the stuff I got to get doing. So anyways, neutral at 46.65. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, bullish divergence, trying to go for that rally, hitting the 20 moving average. Very nice move. Getting above the 20, we're going to find resistance here at $1.54 and then above there at $1.74. Those will be the moves on algo. Let's go to the 4-hour chart coming up higher, more positive momentum, higher on the other side. Nothing bearish. Pumped, drop, hit the 20, found support, and popped again. Nice move. Nothing bearish, like I said, starting to consolidate. We could be looking for continuation to the upside. Bought at 66.38. Not a lot happening here right now on bullish or bearishness. So let's go here to the 1-hour chart. Look at this. Man, coming in lower, more negative momentum, lower still. Nothing bullish. Low to high. Low to high. Low to high. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. My goodness. Just consolidation, right? Consolidation. Could drop to that 20. But, you know, impulse up, flag. We could impulse up again. We'll see. We'll see. The Digital Print House says, sorry, I just got on. All good. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. I need some dumber money than me to enter the market already. I don't think you're dumb money. If you're in the market already and you consider the amount of money that's in crypto, when you consider the rest of the asset classes out there, I think we're still fairly early. Hell, man, if you're getting in before any bank, any government, any institution, right? Now, there's institutions now, but if you're getting in before a lot of institutions, I think you're good, right? Some of us have been in since before institutions started to adopt, so we're early, right? We're sort of early. We're getting to that upper portion of the curve where we're no longer early adopters. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. We went live for about an hour and 12 minutes. There's stuff I need to get going to do. Baking stuff, doing stuff, and thanks for joining me. If you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is So Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this December 23rd, Thursday. Hope you all enjoy the show. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. All the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The Grinch, thank you very much for the donation. Felix, thank you very much for your donation. And it doesn't matter. Thank you very much for the donation. Guys, if I don't see you tomorrow, Merry Christmas. I'll catch you on the 25th. If I do see you tomorrow, I'll say to you Merry Christmas again tomorrow. But I hope you enjoy your holidays. And you have an awesome Christmas. I'll catch you again tomorrow. Until then.